Imagine a world where knowledge flows like a river, constantly moving, ever-changing, and always accessible. This river of information is not bound by physical barriers or limited by time. It is a continuous stream that nourishes our minds and fuels our curiosity. A world where answers are always at your fingertips, no matter where you are or what you are doing. Whether you're on the go, at home, or in the office, the information you need is just a tap or a click away. This seamless access to knowledge empowers us to make informed decisions and stay connected with the world around us. This is the promise of artificial intelligence, and it's closer than you think. AI is not just a concept of the future, it is already here, transforming our lives in ways we never imagined. From virtual assistants that help us manage our daily tasks, to advanced algorithms that predict our needs, AI is becoming an integral part of our everyday existence. We are on the cusp of a new era, one where AI transforms the way we live, learn, and interact with the world around us. Imagine cities where AI manages traffic flow, reducing congestion and pollution. Picture classrooms where AI tailors lessons to each student's unique learning style, making education more effective and engaging. From self-driving cars that navigate busy streets with ease to personalized medicine that offers treatments tailored to our genetic makeup, AI is already making its mark. These advancements are not just improving our quality of life, they are also opening up new possibilities for innovation and discovery. But the true revolution lies in its ability to democratize knowledge. AI has the potential to bridge the gap between those who have access to information and those who do not. By making knowledge more accessible, AI can empower individuals and communities, fostering a more informed and equitable society. With AI, we can unlock the secrets of the universe, unravel the mysteries of the human brain, and create a brighter future for all. Scientists can use AI to analyze vast amounts of data, leading to groundbreaking discoveries in fields like astronomy, medicine, and environmental science. Educators can leverage AI to provide personalized learning experiences, helping students reach their full potential. Just as the telescope opened our eyes to the vastness of space, AI is opening our minds to the boundless possibilities of knowledge. It is a tool that can enhance our understanding of the world and ourselves, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. It's time to embark on a journey of discovery, to explore the cosmos of information that awaits us. This journey is not just for scientists or tech enthusiasts, it is for everyone. Each of us has the opportunity to be a part of this exciting new era, to learn, grow, and contribute to the collective knowledge of humanity. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. This technology is not just a fleeting trend, it is a fundamental shift in how we interact with the world. As we continue to integrate AI into our lives, we must also consider the ethical implications and strive to use this powerful tool responsibly. Are you ready to explore it? The possibilities are endless, and the journey is just beginning. Together, we can harness the power of AI to create a better, more connected world for future generations. In the vast expanse of the AI cosmos, Google Gemini shines brightly. This isn't just another AI, it's a game changer. Why? Because Gemini is designed to understand and interact with the world in ways we never thought possible. Imagine an AI that can not only process information but also reason, learn, and adapt. That's Gemini. It's like having a super intelligent assistant by your side, ready to answer your questions, generate creative content, and help you solve complex problems. Gemini is the culmination of years of research and development by Google, a company at the forefront of the AI revolution. With its advanced algorithms and access to massive datasets, Gemini represents a quantum leap forward in AI capabilities. Get ready to experience the power of Gemini. It's time to unlock a new level of AI interaction. Accessing the power of Google Gemini is easier than you might think. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or someone who's just getting started with digital tools, Google Gemini is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. Imagine having a personal assistant that can help you with a wide range of tasks, from finding information to managing your daily schedule, all at your fingertips. It's like opening a door to a universe of knowledge. The possibilities are endless, and the experience is designed to be as seamless as possible. With Google Gemini, you're not just accessing information, you're entering a new realm of digital interaction that can make your life easier and more efficient. Here's how you can begin your journey. The first step is to ensure you have the right tools. First, you'll need a device with an internet connection. This could be a laptop, a smartphone, or a tablet. The key is to have a reliable internet connection to make the most out of Google Gemini's capabilities. Gemini is accessible through a variety of platforms, including your computer, smartphone, or tablet. This flexibility means you can use it at home, at work, or on the go. Whether you're sitting at your desk or commuting on a train, Google Gemini is always within reach. This makes it incredibly convenient to use, no matter where you are. Imagine being able to get the information you need while sipping coffee at a cafe or while taking a walk in the park. The convenience of Google Gemini is one of its standout features. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Google Gemini platform. This can be done in several ways depending on your device and preference. This might involve visiting a website, opening an app, or using a specific voice command, depending on your chosen device. The process is straightforward and designed to get you to the information you need as quickly as possible. Google has made the process intuitive and user-friendly. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, ensuring that you can find what you're looking for without any hassle. Once you're on the platform, you can start interacting with Gemini right away. The system is designed to be responsive and efficient, providing you with quick answers and solutions. Simply type in your query or speak your request, just like you would with a search engine or virtual assistant. The versatility of Google Gemini means you can interact with it in the way that feels most natural to you. Gemini will process your input and provide you with the information or assistance you need. It's that simple. The advanced AI behind Google Gemini ensures that you get accurate and relevant results every time. With just a few clicks or a simple voice command, you can tap into the vast knowledge and capabilities of Google Gemini. Whether you're looking for quick answers, detailed information, or assistance with tasks, Google Gemini is there to help you every step of the way. Google Gemini is more than just an AI. It's a constellation of powerful features designed to empower you with knowledge and enhance your productivity. Imagine having a digital assistant that not only understands your needs, but also anticipates them, providing you with the right tools and information exactly when you need them. This is the promise of Google Gemini, a revolutionary AI that goes beyond the basics to offer a truly transformative experience. Here are just a few of the key features that make Gemini stand out, but remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The true potential of Gemini lies in its ability to integrate seamlessly into your daily life, making complex tasks simpler and more intuitive. Natural language understanding. Gemini excels at understanding human language, making it easy to communicate your needs and get the information you're looking for. Whether you're asking for the weather forecast, setting a reminder, or seeking detailed information on a complex topic, Gemini's natural language processing capabilities ensure that you get accurate and relevant responses. You can ask questions in a conversational tone, just like you would with a human assistant. This makes interactions feel more natural and less like you're talking to a machine. It's designed to understand context, nuances, and even the subtleties of human emotions, making your interactions smoother and more effective. Contextual awareness. Unlike traditional search engines, Gemini remembers your previous interactions and uses that context to provide more relevant and personalized results. This means that over time, Gemini becomes more attuned to your preferences and needs, offering suggestions and information that are increasingly tailored to you. It's like having an AI that learns and adapts to your specific needs over time. The more you use it, the better it gets at predicting what you might need next, making your interactions more efficient and productive. This continuous learning process ensures that Gemini remains a valuable tool, evolving alongside you. Creative content generation. Need help writing an email, crafting a social media post, or even generating code? Gemini's got you covered. Its advanced algorithms can assist you in creating high-quality content quickly. Whether you're drafting a professional email, composing a compelling social media update, or even writing complex code for a software project, its advanced language generation capabilities can help you create compelling content quickly and efficiently. This feature is particularly useful for professionals who need to produce a lot of written material in a short amount of time, as well as for creatives looking for inspiration and assistance in their work. Multimodal understanding. Gemini doesn't just understand text. It can also process images, videos, and audio. This means you can interact with Gemini using a variety of media, making it a versatile tool for different types of tasks. Whether you're analyzing a photo, editing a video, or transcribing an audio recording, Gemini's multimodal capabilities ensure that you get the support you need. This allows for a more immersive and intuitive AI experience, opening up a whole new world of possibilities for interaction and learning. Imagine using augmented reality to visualize complex data, or virtual reality to explore new environments, all guided by Gemini's intelligent insights. The potential applications are vast and varied, limited only by your imagination. These are just a few of the many features that make Google Gemini a truly revolutionary AI tool. Its ability to integrate seamlessly into various aspects of your life, combined with its powerful capabilities, makes it an indispensable assistant for both personal and professional use. As you delve deeper, you'll discover a universe of possibilities waiting to be explored. With Google Gemini, the future of AI is not just about automation, it's about enhancing human potential and unlocking new opportunities for growth and innovation. So, take the plunge and explore the constellation of features that Google Gemini has to offer.